Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to start without blocks in Block Blast. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, open the Block Blast game on your device and make sure it is updated to latest version available. Once you open the app, you will be on the home page. So here currently we have two modes. If I click on the adventure mode, and as you can see, I currently start with blocks. However, if you don't want to start with any blocks and you want to keep it casual, so go back, and if I choose the classic mode here, as you can see, I don't start with any blocks on my screen, and basically I begin from complete scratch. So if you want to begin without any blocks on your screen in Block Blast, you want to select the classic mode. However, if I go back and go into Adventure, and here choose the second level, and again, I replay the level, it is going to begin with some blocks on it. And that's it. So that's basically how you can start without blocks in Block Blast. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.